go ahead and maybe peruse your dish and let's see what they have to say. Keep your fingers crossed, everyone. We have the cooking competition here. Whichever lady gets the prize here, of course, it is participation which is important. And I can see a lot of colorful stuff. Oh wow. It's more than food. I think it's the arrangement and the way it's being done. The plating is very important, isn't it? It's like feast for your eyes. It invites you to eat and it caters to all the senses.
Vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, TEPA, for inviting us for this cookery show. And it was all about healthy snacks. And I'm so happy to announce, let's start from the third winner. The third winner has done an excellent wheat veg tacos with coconut milk. It's the chest number 7. Chest number 7, coconut buttermilk, right? Coconut buttermilk. I think that is the best that we have tasted. Thank you so much for creating an innovative dish. Keep going. It was wonderful to have your dish. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the winners.
Keep going, keep going. Now, the second goes to one of the best dips that we ever had, the healthy dip, which is chest number 3. The beetroot, the cucumbers, and all her mixing was so perfect that it was one of the best.
And her presentation also very good.
So the first goes to a very, very innovative thought. Best taste. இது எந்த மொழியில வேணாலும் பேசலாம். அவ்வளோ அருமையாக இருந்தது, அவ்வளோ நல்லா பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அவங்க ஏஜ் கூட மதித்து பார்க்கும்போது அவ்வளோ நல்லா யோசித்து பண்ணியிருக்கிற ஒரே ஒரு டிஷ் எங்களுக்கு 3 பேருக்கும் ஒரே மாதிரி ஃபீல் ஆனது. அண்ட் இட் இஸ் ஹெல்த்தி சாண்ட்விச் அண்ட் சாலட், செஃப் நம்பர் 9